Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. The Reggae Boyz ended 2019 on a winning note. They got by Suriname 2-1 to close out the year of the CONCACAF Nations League at the Montego Bay Sports Complex last night. Jermaine Brown reports.
The Jamaicans already had 2 wins under their belts in the CONCACAF Nations League, so their tails were up as they welcomed Suriname to the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Things were off to a flyer for the Reggae Boyz when Corey Burke, with his 4th goal of the league, broke the deadlock after just 7 minutes. Pinpoint accuracy, the delivery from Kemar Lawrence to pick out Burke, who had 11 goals in his first MLS season in the USA. 9 minutes later, the Surinamese defenders couldn't sort out their feet to match Darren Mattox's moves, and they committed the cardinal sin. Mattox picked himself up to shoulder the responsibility, and the Jamaicans were sailing as they went 2-0 up. But Suriname managed to get themselves back into it, and even they were surprised to see the ball crossing the line, Dungy Farr cutting the deficit to 2-1 in the 36th minute. Mattox had another look at goal after being sent in by Peter Lee Vassell, but he couldn't find a way past custodian Clydell Connor as the half came to an end. He did manage to get the better of Connor in the second half, but he could only watch in disbelief at the outcome. Connor thanked his lucky stars. Stefano Rizal tested Blake late on, but no harm done as the score remained the same. It was relief all round when the final whistle came to signal what could only be described as a drab affair. And coach Theodore Whitmore summed it up best.
It was a lukewarm performance, but again, I expect a better performance. We are at home, but under the situation and condition, we just have to do some work. I think we started the game well, in total control of the game till after 20-25 minutes. It's like we were on holiday.
The venue continues to prove a good one for Mattox, though, who always seems to find a way to score in Mobay.
Disappointed in myself because a player of my quality should put most of those chances away, but at the end of the day, sometimes our ugly win is better than a pretty loss, so we just got to take the 3 points and move on and come ready for the next game.
Burks' goal meant he has scored in all 3 Nations League matches.
I expect to score more, but it's just football, and I got 4 goals, so I got to give thanks, as I said, next year I got to build on what I did this year, and I expect a better season next year.
The next game in the CONCACAF Nations League for the Reggae Boyz will be against El Salvador in March of 2019. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.